This is better than Lake Tahoe, huh? Didn't even snow that Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Remember we went to Thanksgiving, to Tahoe for Thanksgiving, it didn't even snow. Now it's Thanksgiving and it's snowing. Those are leaves, Jack. Make a snowball. Here,
Okay.
with this one.
How do you do that?
Take two hands and you scoop it up and you just mush it together. Yeah, push it together real hard.
How's this? Now what do I do?
And you throw it.
I want to make a snowman.
Oh, there you go.
I want to make a snowman, Daddy.
Okay, let's do it.
But how do we make a snowman?
Maybe you could make a big pile of snow.
Make balls out of snow.
Like this.
Oh!
Here, Jack.
Wow!
We might need a little bit more snow than that.
Let me do it.
Okay. Pull it away from the door, Jack. That's too close to the door there. Yeah. Careful, it's going to be muddy underneath.